Brands should be leaning into their humanity. We're in a very crowded market with a lot of bots, and showing that you're a real person, say behind your social media handle, will help you build empathy with your audience base and your customers. And more importantly, it will help reflect that empathy back towards you when things go wrong.
Educational marketing is going to be the marketing edge for software companies that are seeking to grow brand trust, to grow customer loyalty, and to reduce attrition.
Intuition is going to take precedence over data. And I say this because we've just completed a study with 11 of the top B2B SaaS companies, and every product leader said some version of, there are so many valuable things that we know to do by instinct that we just cannot prove. And if we limited ourselves to only doing what we could prove, we'd miss out on some of those things.
Savvy SaaS B2B marketers in particular will look to the customer base as a group of users that needs those additional touch points, not only to increase engagement and make sure that they're receiving the right messaging and product positioning, and make sure that they're aware of the broad community that's building around the product, but also to help drive account expansion.
I believe 2021 is going to be won by brands that speak to people, like people. So this could look like anything like, maybe treating your YouTube channel the way that PewDiePie and Marcus Brownlee and other creators approach theirs, with really high quality video content that your audience wants and craves.
Working marketing strategy and tactics to respect the individual right to privacy will be a major trend for marketing in 2021 and probably beyond. The impact of this will be felt across all industries, but especially within SaaS.